points means downward motions for all teams involved. We have 2 thumbs up. That means drivers, hands off the controllers in 3, 2, 1, go!
I am looking for Chuck to move. Chuck is swiveling. Chuck is aiming. Chuck is firing. 20 through 3, 2, 3. Trying to clear the blue gate. Low slung robot. Nicely does that. 21-227 for blue. Coming up and loading up in the red zone. Chuck for 8417 for the Red Alliance. Shooting, firing. Electric Legends on the board and moving ahead. But the Blue Alliance are not slackers. Iron Nest and their comrade the Legends showing up very well in Auton.
Drivers, pick up your controllers.
All robots have moved. Motif is green, purple, purple. Robots settle down as the pilots get in place
3,
to start
2,
their work.
1.
Away we go. Legend looking to solidify their lead. Feeding up from their classifier. Hoovering up artifacts, scoring beautifully and nicely. 1, 2, 3 in a row. Iron Nest getting contact on 24-260. 24-260 has like a simple ground intake with a swivel classifier. Contact between 2 blue and 1 red robot in the launch zone. Don't think that counts. 2 red and 1 blue. My apologies. 22-323 Iron Nest instead. Moving ahead. Clearing their classifier. Coming up. They got some artifacts in the depot zone. Zoom back. 1 more in their own launch zone. Are they going to shoot from afar? No, they get fed by their human partner. Come up, line up, and shoot. Green, purple. Third purple was short. They got 1 more under control there. That was interesting. Referees being kept busy. 84-17, Chuck. The red robot. Clearing the gate. Coming in with their rotary classifier. Spinning, launching, 1, 2, 3. Their limelight seems to be working really well in aiming and shooting. I see at least 1 robot plaque that's fallen off on the field. The FTH will attend to that. Electric Legends coming in and getting their robot to get up some more artifacts under control. We've got 21-227's plaque on the ground. They're getting Iron Nest is feeding their robot, coming in straight. 84-17 instead playing a little defense. Iron Nest scoring 1, 2, 3 in a row. They were not fazed by that defense, were they? 22 seconds to go. Blue Alliance solidly established. Legends and Iron Nest. 21-227 has lost both their plaques at this point. So 24-260 getting called on some issues. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
For match 51. The Blue Alliance will take the victory with a score of 259-179. 5 ranking points means Legend will move back into the top 10, whereas 1 ranking point means downward motion for all teams on the Red Alliance.